In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive calls in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enable so you can handle calls right inside your CRM without juggling multiple tools. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account with sufficient permissions. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need an admin to grant access. Now, look to the top right of your HubSpot dashboard and click the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped button that opens your account's configuration area. In the left sidebar of the settings page, head into the General section. General is where HubSpot keeps many of the foundational preferences that affect your user experience and broader account setup, so it's the right place to enable calling. Within General, select the Calling tab. This tab is the home for HubSpot Calling, where you connect phone numbers and control how calls work within the platform. Here, you'll see the option to register your existing phone number for outbound calls with HubSpot Calling. Even though the wording mentions outbound, this is the step that activates HubSpot's calling capabilities for your account, which is the foundation you need to receive calls in the HubSpot interface. Connecting your number helps establish your caller ID, enables call routing through the tool, and sets you up for tracking and logging calls directly to contacts and deals. Next, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to purchase the starter plan for the Starter Customer Platform. This plan unlocks the calling feature and allows you to register your number to use HubSpot for calls. Before you proceed, make sure your billing details are accurate and that your team's region is supported for calling. Having your business number handy is helpful, and be prepared for possible number verification, which is a standard security and compliance step. Availability can vary by country, and usage limits may apply depending on your plan. Once you complete the purchase and your number is registered, you're all set. With HubSpot Calling enabled, you've laid the groundwork to place calls from the CRM and receive calls through the HubSpot experience, keeping conversations logged automatically and connected to your contacts and pipelines. This setup centralizes communication, improves your team's visibility, and streamlines follow-up since notes, recordings, and call outcomes can live alongside the rest of your customer data. That's the entire process. Go to Settings in the top right, open the General section, move into the Calling tab, register your existing number, click Get Started, and complete the starter plan purchase to enable calling on your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy handling your calls directly in HubSpot.